Today I'll show you how to change Google AdSense address to receive PIN verification. If Google AdSense asks you to verify your address, it usually sends a PIN by mail to the payment address in your account. So before requesting a new PIN, you need to make sure your address is correct. First, open your browser and go to Google AdSense. Sign in with the Google account connected to your AdSense account. Once you are inside your AdSense dashboard, look at the menu on the left side. Click on Payments. Then click Payments Info. Now look for the Settings section. Click Manage Settings. Under your Payments profile, find your name and address. Click the small pencil icon or the Edit option next to your address. Now, carefully enter the address where you want to receive your AdSense PIN. Add your house number, street name, city, province or state, postal code, and any other important address details. Make sure everything is complete and easy to understand. If you live in an apartment or building, include your unit number or floor number. This helps the mail carrier find your address. Also, check your postal code carefully. A wrong postal code can delay the letter or send it to the wrong place. After updating your address, click Save. Now go back to your AdSense dashboard and check the PIN verification message. If Google already sent the PIN to your old address, you may need to wait before you can request a new PIN. When the option appears, click Resend PIN. Google will then send a new PIN to the updated address in your account. When the PIN letter arrives, open it and sign into AdSense again. Enter the PIN exactly as shown in the letter. Do not guess the PIN. If you enter the wrong PIN too many times, your account may have problems with verification. Also remember, the PIN can take some time to arrive depending on your country and local mail service, so check your mailbox regularly. Changing your address does not change your AdSense country. It only updates the mailing address for your payments profile and PIN verification. So, to keep it simple, update your address from Payments, then Payments Info, then Manage Settings. After saving the correct address, request a new PIN if needed. That's it. Now you know how to change your Google AdSense address to receive PIN verification. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.